Dear Oma, is it bad to go the extra mile for your client? So this sentence is actually in all capital letters. This person must be really pissed. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back like I never left. So yeah, welcome to another episode of our market diary. Woo! I hope you're feeling excited. I hope you're ready to read today's story with me, and I hope you're ready to share your thoughts. We have a lot of silent viewers. Why are you silent? We don't bite. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. We don't bite. Nobody will bite you. No matter what it is you say, we'll be happy to receive you. So feel free to interact with us. So let's look at what we have for today. Dear Oma, is it bad to go the extra mile for your client? So this sentence is actually in all capital letters. This person must be really pissed. I was invited to an event for video production, and even though the client didn't request or pay for my drone service, I still went along with it. Kind of like a bonus service to get him to love our brand. Okay? I'm actually a cinematographer and I'm damn good at it. I like people that are very bold when they say they are good at something. I love it. While my team took care of the internal media production, I busied myself outside, getting the bird's eye view of the event arena. I was just busy enjoying the view and recording the scenery. Then my client walked up to me and was telling me how impressed he was with my service. He appreciated how I went the extra mile to provide my drone services that he didn't pay for. At the end of the day, he was greatly wowed and grateful when the job was done and the drone footage was added. So he basically got a really premium service for free. Of course, he has to be grateful, he has to be wowed. It will be shocking if he wasn't wowed. A month later, he contacted me for another video production and paid the same amount just like the last time. I think I know where this story is going. I asked him if I should add my drone service, but he said an emphatic no. This time, I too didn't bother to add my drone services. I did a perfect job as requested and submitted the footage to him. That was how he called me and started ranting, telling me how I disappointed him because he had hoped for drone footages like the last time. I also reminded him of how I suggested paying for my drone services, but he said he wasn't interested. Why are you now angry that there are no drone footages? I'm seriously regretting why I went the extra mile in the first place. The whole idea was just to get him to be very happy with our brand, and now the opposite is the case. Please help me check this matter. Did I do anything wrong? Who sent me safe? Nobody send you, my guy. In our place, they call what you did Onyoma and that's CY. Anybody that is Igbo will know who Onyoma and that's CY is. When they did not send you work, you just want to overdo. This is what happens to most Onyoma and that's CY. Their good works now become a problem onto their lives. Well, this your story. I feel like that's just a problematic client. But one thing I would say you could have done better is assessing that client's expectations. So that second time, that time you asked him, are you sure you want drone? And he said no. You would have reminded him too at that point in time that you're not going to be adding the drone service, so that one was like a first timers bonus that you just gave to welcome him into the company. After you tell him that, you ask him again, are you sure you don't want the drone service? then you leave it at that. If he still said no, then he has nothing to talk about. But maybe he feels that it is part of it, maybe it's an added something, and that's why he's coming to rant. I don't know why he would think that way, but clients think the darnest things, so you never really know. Then I also think boundaries should have been set from the very first time. That first time, as he was thanking you and all, you would have used the opportunity to tell him that, oh, this is why I gave you this additional service. It's actually not in the package. Oh. The package you paid for is this. But this drone service is that. So I added it because I want to welcome you into the brand, especially as our premium first time customer. So you'd have told him that you establish all those boundaries ahead of time. If you don't set boundaries, some people will ask for your blood. They'll ask for your soul, maybe your spirit self, if you are not careful. Then I would also have liked it if you had documented it. If people had a contract that, oh, on so day I was going to deliver so service. That's another thing I would have liked if you had documented it. That would have also helped a lot. Imagine if there was a legal issue or something and you needed backing. If you offer those type of services that can be a bit risky, you can consider documenting. And then the last advice I will give you is learn from your mistakes. Don't say that because of this client, you will no more continue that strategy of trying to make your first time customers feel at home by giving them an added service. No, no. There are still a lot of people that would have appreciated it. So don't take it that, oh, I'm not going to do this again. Just learn how you could have done it better, and that's all. Okay? Over to you, my lovely viewers. What do you think? What do you think he could have done better? Do you think that first time he should not have even given any bonus at all? Or how do you think he should have handled this client better to avoid all this kind of will I call it mismanagement or be misunderstanding? English is hard though. All right, guys, that's it from me today. And if you have not liked, commented, and shared this video, please do so. There is a business owner that you can bless their life with this video, and they will thank you for it. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Since you're still here, don't forget to subscribe. Okay?